Hello my darlings, and welcome. Today we begin a journey to the heart of Rome, along the grand Via della Conciliazione. With each step, St. Peter's Dome rises before us, a beacon of history and faith. The city's noise fades, replaced by a gentle murmur of voices from around the world, all drawn to this monumental place. The light softens, ancient stones glowing gold, and the statues above watch silently as we approach. We leave the modern city behind, stepping into a space designed to inspire awe and connection. Take a deep breath. Our adventure in St. Peter's Square is just beginning. And here we are, stepping into one of the most iconic and awe-inspiring places in the world, St. Peter's Square. The anticipation builds as you approach, and then suddenly the space opens up before you, revealing a breathtaking panorama that's both grand and inviting. Standing at the edge of St. Peter's Square, you're immediately struck by its vast openness and the sense of welcome that radiates from every corner. The sheer scale of the square is humbling, yet it doesn't feel overwhelming. Instead, it feels as if the space is inviting you in, encouraging you to pause, breathe, and take it all in. The twin colonnades, designed by Bernini, curve gracefully like open arms, gently guiding you toward the heart of the square and the magnificent Basilica beyond. Their embrace is both symbolic and physical, creating a sense of unity and belonging for everyone who enters. All around, people from every corner of the globe gather here, some pausing by the fountains to cool off or snap a photo. Others standing in silent awe as they gaze up at the towering facade of St. Peter's Basilica. The square is alive with a gentle buzz of voices, laughter, and footsteps, yet there's a shared sense of wonder that unites everyone. The energy here is unique, peaceful, reverent, and joyful all at once. It's a place where pilgrims, tourists, and locals alike come together, each person bringing their own hopes, dreams, and stories, yet all finding a sense of peace in this sacred space. Look up, and you'll see 140 statues of saints standing guard atop the colonnades, their silhouettes etched against the sky. These figures seem to watch over the square, connecting earth and heaven, past and present, and reminding us of the centuries of faith and history that have unfolded here. Bernini's masterful design creates a sense of perfect harmony and balance. Every line, every curve, every detail is intentional, working together to make everyone who steps into the square feel at home, no matter where they're from. This is more than just a public space. It's an architectural hug for the world. The square's embrace is both literal and metaphorical, offering comfort, inspiration, and a sense of belonging to all who visit. Bernini envisioned the church's arms reaching out to embrace all humanity. And standing here, you can truly feel that vision come to life. The square seems to wrap itself around you, offering a moment of reflection and connection. As we stand on these ancient paving stones, let's take a closer look at the history written beneath our feet and discover the stories that make St. Peter's Square a place like no other. Every stone here whispers of centuries past. Once a Roman circus, this ground saw chariot races and, according to tradition, the martyrdom of St. Peter. Over time, a simple grave became a shrine, then a church, and finally the basilica we see today. The original church, built by Constantine, stood for over 1,000 years before the Renaissance masters created this marvel. Walking these cobblestones, we connect with Romans, pilgrims, and artists who shaped this place. St. Peter's Square is a living library of faith, art, and history. Let's stroll through the square's treasures. At its center stands the Vatican obelisk, 4,000 years old, brought from Egypt by Caligula and crowned with a cross. Its journey here is a testament to human ingenuity and faith. On either side, twin fountains by Maderno and Bernini add life and symmetry, their waters sparkling in the sun. Pause by the circular stone markers, stand on one, and the colonnade's 4 rows align as one, a brilliant optical illusion. Bernini hid magic in the details. These features invite us to slow down and notice the wonder all around. Now let's approach the basilica itself. We climb the steps to St. Peter's Basilica, joining a steady stream of pilgrims and visitors from every corner of the world. Each step brings us closer to a place that has stood at the center of faith and history for centuries, a site that has witnessed countless moments of devotion, celebration, and reflection. The anticipation builds as we approach the entrance, our footsteps echoing the journeys of millions before us. We are immediately dwarfed by its grand facade and the towering statues that stand sentinel above, each one representing a saint or apostle, silently watching over the crowds below. The sheer scale of the basilica's exterior is humbling, a testament to the ambition and faith of those who built it. On the portico, the massive bronze doors greet us, their surfaces alive with intricate reliefs that tell stories from the Bible and the history of the church. Each panel is a masterpiece, inviting us to pause and trace the scenes with our eyes, to imagine the hands that shaped them centuries ago. To one side, the holy door stands sealed, its ornate decorations hinting at the mysteries within. This door is only opened during Jubilee years, a rare event that draws pilgrims from across the globe, eager to pass through and receive its blessings. Even when closed, the holy door reminds us of the sacred traditions that have shaped this place. Pilgrims pause to touch its surface, offering prayers and hopes, connecting with a ritual that spans generations. Crossing the threshold, we leave the bright square behind and step into a world of hushed awe. The air changes, filled with the scent of incense and the quiet murmur of prayers. Light dims, and our senses heighten as we enter the sacred space. The vast nave stretches before us, its marble floor gleaming beneath our feet. People move quietly, their voices hushed in reverence as if the very walls demand silence and respect. Sunlight filters through the high, clear-story windows, casting golden beams that dance across the mosaics and marble. The interplay of light and shadow creates a sense of the divine, as if heaven itself is reaching down to touch the earth. The scale is staggering. This is less a building than a city under one roof. Columns soar upward, supporting arches that seem to defy gravity, while every corner reveals new wonders to discover. The golden ceiling above glimmers with intricate patterns and sacred symbols, each detail meticulously crafted to inspire awe and wonder. Our eyes and spirits are drawn ever upward, following the lines of the architecture toward the dome, where light pours in and the heavens seem close enough to touch. Every detail, from the marble statues to the shimmering mosaics, is designed to overwhelm and inspire, to remind us of the centuries of artistry and devotion that have shaped this sacred space. As we move deeper into the basilica, we step into a space where history and faith converge, where every stone and statue tells a story, and where the spirit of countless generations continues to echo in the silence. As we step through the grand entrance of St. Peter's Basilica, the world outside seems to fade away, replaced by a sense of awe and reverence. The vastness of the interior is breathtaking, with soaring ceilings and intricate details that invite us to look closer. As our eyes adjust to the gentle light filtering through stained glass and high windows, masterpieces reveal themselves at every turn, each more captivating than the last. The air is filled with a quiet hush, as if the very stones are holding their breath in anticipation of our discovery. To the right, Michelangelo's Pietà radiates sorrow and beauty, protected behind glass. This sculpture, carved from a single block of marble when Michelangelo was just in his early 20s, captures the tender moment between Mary and the lifeless body of Christ. Visitors gather in silent admiration, moved by the delicate folds of Mary's robe and the serene expression on her face. The Pietà is not just a work of art, it is a testament to the power of human emotion and the genius of its creator. Above us, the magnificent dome, another of Michelangelo's triumphs, soars toward the heavens, flooding the basilica with golden light. The dome's mosaics shimmer in the sunlight, depicting saints and angels in a celestial dance. As we gaze upward, we are reminded of the ambition and vision that went into creating this architectural marvel, a structure that has inspired countless visitors for centuries. Beneath the dome, Bernini's baldacchino rises majestically over St. Peter's tomb, its twisted bronze columns reaching skyward. This monumental canopy, adorned with gilded details and intricate carvings, marks the very heart of the basilica. It is both a masterpiece of Baroque art and a symbol of the church's enduring legacy, drawing pilgrims and art lovers alike to its grandeur. The walls of the basilica are covered in vibrant mosaics, each tiny tile carefully placed to create images that shimmer with color and life. These mosaics tell stories from the Bible and the history of the church, their brilliance undimmed by the passage of time. As sunlight dances across the walls, the colors seem to come alive, creating a sense of wonder that fills the entire space. Chapels, tombs, and statues fill every corner, each telling a story of faith, artistry, and devotion. Some chapels are quiet sanctuaries for prayer, while others house the tombs of popes and saints, their legacies preserved in marble and stone. Statues of apostles and martyrs stand watch, their faces carved with expressions of hope and contemplation. The Basilica is more than just a church, it is a gallery of human achievement, a sanctuary for the soul, and a monument to centuries of devotion. Visitors from around the world wander its vast halls, pausing to admire the art, architecture, and the palpable sense of history that fills the air. Centuries of prayer and hope echo in the marble beneath our feet and in the towering pillars that support the basilica's immense weight. Every surface, from the polished floors to the ornately carved columns, tells a story of craftsmanship and faith, connecting us to generations past. Here, beauty and peace transcend belief, connecting all who enter. The atmosphere is one of reflection and unity, where people of all backgrounds find a moment of stillness amid the grandeur. The gentle play of natural light, the soft murmur of footsteps, and the distant echo of prayers create a sense of serenity that is both humbling and uplifting. To visit St. Peter's Basilica is to step into a living masterpiece, a place where art, history, and spirituality converge. It's an experience that lingers in the soul, inviting us to pause, reflect, and marvel at the enduring power of human creativity and faith. As we return to the sunlit square, our hearts are full. Visiting St. Peter's is more than sightseeing, it's feeling the sweep of history and creativity. From a fisherman's tomb to a global symbol, this place shows what humanity can achieve. It's a reminder of our shared capacity for faith, beauty, and wonder. Everyone should experience this at least once. Thank you for joining me on this journey. There are more stories to discover, more wonders to share. Until next time, travel with curiosity and an open heart.